Hi, I'm Frankie Harris. I'm Vice Chancellor for Academic Affairs at Kauai Community College. And I'd like to start off by first taking an opportunity to thank both NACCE as well as the Radcliffe Foundation for providing us an opportunity to compete in this competition, which might yield up to $25,000 for participants and their project pitches. I would like to express my enthusiastic support for our building construction technology submission. In this submission, they are going to be focusing on both the construction trades as well as the electrical trades. And as part of this, we are looking to increase the skills that we would be able to offer students so that they would be better employable in the community. And in addition to that, we want to emphasize a sustainability focus, and that's important to our island state, as well as a priority mission and goal for both the University of Hawaii as well as Kauai Community College. So having a sustainable construction approach is fantastic. Additionally, in the program, they will be offering a pathway for students who would like to start their own careers. So we will have the capacity to build entrepreneurial skills as well as build confidence in our students to be able to go out and start their own businesses. So again, we thank you very much, and